Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a full face of makeup while driving through a drive-thru. Don't worry, this isn't gonna be too dangerous. I have Corey here to drive me through the drive-thru, and I'm gonna try to do a full face of makeup. I got this idea from my friend Ashley Blue Def here on YouTube. You should definitely go check her out. We tried to do this video months and months ago, but it was all out of focus. We didn't have the right equipment, so everything was totally wrong, but I'm gonna do it today. I have my full bag of makeup here. We will see if we can do this. The line is getting pretty long. Look how long the In-N-Out line is. This is gonna be interesting. I'm nervous. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Corey hasn't eaten all day. I look like a rich grandma with my cardigan and my glasses. I'm nervous. Let's do it. All right. So we're gonna get to the end of the line to order my food, which my order is gonna be long because you know me, I'm gluten-free, allergic to everything, and then I'm gonna start doing makeup. So I'm not gonna open this and do the makeup until we get to the end of the line. We're doing In-N-Out because in California, this is the most well-known burger place that has the longest amount of lines. It's almost 5:30, which is early dinner time, and there's still a ton of people here. I'd say there's like 8 people in line. Oh, that's not a ton. Sometimes the lines get so long that they go out into the street. We're almost there. Hey babe, there's your dream car.
Mm-hmm. No, that's the Wrangler.
The Wrangler? What do you want? A Jeep?
Commander.
Commander. Okay. The guy's gonna see me doing my makeup and ordering, and that's what I'm nervous about. This is my first time doing a video outside the makeup studio, I feel like.
And
let me know.
Go.
Ah, okay, first we're gonna put on a base. Are you embarrassed for me, babe?
No.
No? We're gonna talk about burgers that are better than In-N-Out because we're actually not In-N-Out people. I'm just starving and it's the quickest and cheapest burger to get. The best burger places are MVP on, the only one that's good is on Stern Street in Long Beach. The other ones in Long Beach aren't as good because their fries are burnt. And what else is good? If you're in Idlewild, California, the Lumber Mill. Ooh, Harbor Rack House in Huntington Beach is good. Five Guys for a chain restaurant is actually really good too.
It's a bit expensive, but if you want a good burger, they actually are really good.
I try to convince Corey to do a mukbang with me, but it's not happening apparently. Oh my gosh. We have the foundation now. I use a stick foundation that's the Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna get my Little Mermaid mirror and my Tarte Shape Tape. Wow, everything's not blended. How embarrassed are you for me to be my boyfriend right now, Corey?
Not really.
Not really?
No. I'm kind of used to it now. My soul has been utterly destroyed, so I'm used to it.
Your soul has been destroyed?
Yes.
Why? What do you mean? With makeup?
Yes. I'm used to it now.
We actually bought camera equipment separate and even another camera just to film this video for you all. Okay, powder. I even pre-dampened my beauty blender because I'm that type of girl to prepare for everything. I feel like I over prepare. Although we had such a struggle getting out of the house and preparing for this because since this is a new camera, we didn't realize there were so many things to download, right? We had to download utilities. The utilities for the camera setup. Yeah. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Forget contour for now. You're like, oh my gosh, girl, that's so messy, right?
You talking to me or them?
I was talking to you.
No.
I'm using the Wet n Wild brow. Oh, we're about to order right after this guy. This girl reminds me a little bit the girl taking the orders of you're making me nervous. Oh, that person? So I'm gonna order food. Corey's not gonna order food. He's already ate. Or he's gonna eat something else.
I refuse.
He hates In-N-Out.
Like with an absolute passion. To me, is absolutely disgusting. Luckily, our windows are up so people can't hear me say that.
Is this guy backing up in front of us?
Yeah, because he didn't turn like
his truck is too big.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
A meat patty with cheese. A 7-Up and a strawberry. Grilled onion spread and a Coke to go. Okay.
Should we just move up?
Yeah.
Okay.
My order.
What can I get started for you?
Can I get a burger meal protein style with no
Hamburger?
cheese? Yeah.
Okay. Protein style, no cheese.
Yes. With
Did you want
fries?
onion?
Yes.
Regular onions, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
And then what drink you drink with that one?
Can I get a Diet Coke?
Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. That's it.
That's it. So just a hamburger with onion, protein, fry, and a Diet Coke for the car to go.
To go?
To go. It's gonna be $6.63 the first window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How's it turning out, babe?
Not too bad. But then again, whenever I say that, you're just like, it's horrible!
I don't always say that. I just don't know how to take a compliment. That's my default. Right?
Ain't that a fact?
When Corey says I look like cute or pretty, I'm like, thanks. I turn into like the Hunchback of Notre Dame, and I'm like, I don't know.
I try to have a romantic moment with her, but you know, every time I do, she's just like, thank you, I feel ugly.
I'm so grateful, but don't know how to express it. If you have to order from In-N-Out, what would you order, babe?
A drink?
Just a drink? Not even animal style fries are good.
Nope.
Really?
Their fries are horrendous.
The animal style though, with the cheese sauce and the...
Nope.
Really?
I'd rather eat a raccoon's throw up out of a garbage can than eat In-N-Out fries.
Okay, if you're gonna go to In-N-Out and you're in LA area, what I would recommend is doing animal style fries and getting a double burger, because their burger patties are way too small. You guys think I'm negative? This guy here, he rules them all. Wow, there's so many cars. I'm gonna I'm getting everything done. And you know what's crazy? This wasn't even the longest. The line's getting longer, isn't it, babe?
Oh yeah.
So I guess it's fair game, wouldn't you say, for the line?
Yeah.
So hopefully I could do this. I'm so excited to go home because ColourPop just gave me some more makeup, and I'm sure Corey's so sick of all the makeup packages.
Yeah.
Leave us a comment down below on what other video you would love for me to do with Corey, because we were thinking of having him do my makeup again, but he has to shop for the makeup too.
She tells me like the different kinds of makeup, like, you know, contour.
No, Jen will have to, so I can't help you.
No, I mean like, I would like a list of like, of what, no brands, no specific colors or anything like that.
Like what you need?
Yeah, exactly. Like.
But all the other boyfriends didn't have help when they did it.
Well, guess what? I'm not that smart.
So babe, there's base, foundation, concealer, powder, contour, and highlight, and then there's brows. I thought that like this bag, I have one of those bags that you could tighten so it's easy to put everything in, but I feel like it's at a disadvantage because it's about to all fall off my lap. We'll get you something else.
Yay.
I'm sure Corey wants Wendy's.
Sure.
What do you like to get at Wendy's?
They used to have this avocado spicy chicken, crispy chicken like sandwich, but I don't think they sell it anymore.
Oh yeah, they don't, because I tried to order it last time I was there when I was going home to see you after work.
I will say this, for a fast food joint, Wendy's has the best fries.
The curly fries at Jack in the Box aren't bad, but I hate all the other food at Jack in the Box.
Yeah, Jack in the Box is like,
not good. It's for like people who, I don't know.
who apparently have a stronger stomach than I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's why we don't go there.
Oh my gosh, my makeup isn't looking that bad. My brows though need some help. This is my favorite brow pencil. This is the Revlon Color Stay.
Mm-hmm.
How far are we from the...
Oh, we're about to pay.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for driving. A lot of people take Ubers, I feel like, when they're going to events and getting food and doing makeup in a car. Plus, I don't want to be dangerous, you know?
It'd be interesting. Yeah, that's true, because I know a lot of people, when they try to put makeup in the car, they're actually driving. And
yeah.
That's how accidents occur.
But then the people in the comments, I don't want them to be fearful for my life. In your life. You know? We are almost done. Oh, I forgot contour.
Uh-oh.
This is contour, babe.
In case you people don't know, I'm not a big fan of fake lashes.
Or dark red lips.
Yeah.
Are we almost there?
Yeah, we're about to pay.
Okay. Does this mean I have to be stopped?
Nope, go.
Well, how you guys doing today?
Not bad, not bad.
Awesome. Would you guys actually mind paying up at the next window, please?
Next window?
Thank you.
All right, cool, no problem.
Oh, we're almost there. Okay, done.
Hello. All right.
We did it! This is my finished look. I went to a simple nude lip with Stoned is the color by Dosa Colors. And I wish I had time for gloss. But here's my food. Let me know what you think. I think it's alright. My lashes are wonky and my foundation's splotchy, but for a quick look, I feel like we didn't do bad. We're gonna have Corey judge it.
Yeah, let me see. Let me park first.
Okay.
Let me see. It's not too bad.
What can I use to work on? I feel like this is too light and splotchy.
In the light, I can see there's a little bit of like splotch right there.
Oh, my highlight's not blended?
Yeah. But other than that, not too bad.
How long do you think that took me? 20 minutes? 25?
Oh, geez, not even that. Like maybe like 10, 15.
15? Okay. So, leave us a comment on what other videos you would love for me and this guy to film. Corey.
I need a haircut.
And we will get on that for you all. And I'm gonna eat my food. Let me do a thumbnail. I would have showed you my food, but it's all gone. Look how gross my makeup is now. I need a napkin. That was good. Like I said, I would have showed you my food, but I ate it so fast. There's two different types of people though when they eat food. I'm the type that rips these open and squirts it in my mouth like a heathen when I'm eating in the car French fries. What type of person are you? Or do you make a little like pool of ketchup or ranch to dip your fries in? This makeup, not cute anymore now, but it's okay for how much time I had.
She actually takes a ketchup bottle, and when she eats a fry, she puts the fries in it. She'll do this at the table.
I don't do that.
I know, I'm just making content.
See, I'm just making content. My boyfriend is a vlog king now. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye from the hand of the driver. Corey, my boyfriend.
Look how big my hand is.
Yes.